Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I will be presenting the process of me exploring Audacity and Adobe Photoshop for this project. And for this project's theme, I chose humanity.
In Audacity, first I implemented noise reduction to the original audio to improve sound clarity. By eliminating unnecessary background noise that may distract, this technique guarantees that the message remains clear and focused. Next, I layered the original audio with background music and sound effects to show emotions and reaffirm the main message. Compression was then applied to even out the volume. And finally, reverb was used to give the sound depth. However, during the process, the original audio was sharp, but after some rearrangements of volumes, I managed to get soothing and smooth audio. The topic of humanity was selected in this project because, in the digital age, it is simple for people to forget that actual people exist behind screen. Therefore, this PSA message is a reminder to everyone on the internet to exercise caution when typing and leaving comments on other people's posts. On the other hand, in Adobe Photoshop, I start by applying a layering technique. In general, this is the act of stacking and putting together the necessary poster components including images, text, or effects. Blending comes next. It serves as a tool to fix any flaws and build a seamless composition between the layers. In addition, I use masking to conceal any unwanted areas or backdrops in any pictures. This method will provide a polished poster. Additionally, the correct typography is applied to ensure the message delivered is legible. The challenge while using Photoshop is the poster being too simple and not showing enough information about humanity, the main topic. Therefore, I added more elements that illustrate cyberbullying and humanity. Before starting this project, my design plan was to show how cyberbullying affects people and how being humane and merciful is important in consuming media. Thus, I am sure that my poster has shown a good amount of elements that relates to the chosen topic.
This project embodies the medium is the message theory by McLuhan, Innes, and Merowitz by showing how the choice of audio, effects, and visual designs delivers the content about humanity and cyberbullying and shapes how the audience emotionally experiences and understands the message. These projects reflect their ideas that the medium, the public service announcement, and poster itself carries influence. By using audio and visual formats to talk about humanity and cyberbullying, I learned that different media create different emotional impacts, shaping how people connect to the message beyond just the words.